Guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix no audio output device is installed. This is the problem. Then step by step how to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step for troubleshoot the audio driver. Get open the settings. Click to the update and security. Next click to the troubleshoot options. Then click to the additional troubleshooters. Then you will click to the playing audio. Then you will click to the run as troubleshooter to you will check this anyone problem to get fix it. Okay. Then next step are update the audio device. Get open the device manager. Get click to the sound and video game controllers. Double click to open to see the AMD high definition audio driver. Then you will right click to update driver. Then manually reinstall the audio driver. This two steps are not responding to get already you will go to the web browser to you will check the this update AMD high definition audio device is automatic. You will install it to update version 2. You will same time method get open the device manager, click to the sound video game controller, then see the AMD high definition, then right click to update driver to this page open it, then click to the update driver. Then see the second option you will set it to get see the just see the this page open it to you will set it the update version you will download file. Then click to next. Then next to you will automatically install. Okay. Then next step are change the automatic the audio. Then get open the services, click to the Windows audio, then right click to the properties to you will see the startup type for automatic services status for running. To you will change it to click to apply, click to OK. Then next for Windows audio endpoint builder properties. Then this is the right click to same type properties, click to the automatic change the running. Change it to click to apply, click to OK. Then next step for enable the audio driver. Get open the device manager, then select the AMD high definition audio device, then right click to this is already enabled to you will disable to return enable. Then this first step is finished. This is the problem for solve it. Anyone doubt to pin the comment. Then thank you for watching.